Hi, I'm Bruce Karasik, and here are some video driving directions to help you get to our office safely and on time. You'll be on the 101 freeway southbound, and you'll be coming up on Hampshire Road. You're going to be passing Hampshire Road, and when you see Hampshire Road, you want to get in your right-hand turn lane because the next exit is Westlake Boulevard. And that's where you're going to be exiting the freeway. So coming up right here is the Westlake Boulevard off-ramp. You're going to be in the left lane here at the bottom of the hill, and you're going to be making a left turn shortly here, right on to Westlake Boulevard. So here we go. We're making our left turn, and we're now safely on Westlake Boulevard. Coming up to the first intersection here will be Thousand Oaks Boulevard, and that's where we're going to be making our left-hand turn. But you're going to be seeing 3 turn lanes here, and you're going to get on the far right left turn lane. So there's 3 left-hand turn lanes. You want to get in the far right one. Here we are making a left turn on Thousand Oaks Boulevard, and on the right-hand side, immediately here, is the shopping center called North Ranch Mall. That's where we will be turning in shortly. You'll see a Wells Fargo on your right, and then you're going to be coming up on a street that's called Pierce Arrow Avenue. So here's where we're going to make our right-hand turn. You're going to turn right into the shopping center right here. And as you come in, you'll be coming right to that stop sign, and you'll see Trader Joe's on your left, but we're going to go straight. We're going to go straight to the next place where we can make a right-hand turn because Remax Olson is right here on the right-hand side between Trader Joe's and Pinkberry's. And here we are at Remax Olson. Welcome, and we will see you soon.